What's up, guys? So we cut the front section off that we needed for the upper window seal, measured it all out, taped it all off, put a guide on it, cut it, and took it over here and did the exact same thing on the crew cab and fitted it on. It worked out quite nice. It's definitely there. We need a little more grinding. We'll definitely have to do a thin layer of Bondo, but it's not too bad. It's actually came together a lot better than we thought. The roughest part was this strut here, because for whatever reason the measurements on that cab to this cab were off just a little bit, so we had to put in our own little section. And then another thing that really sucked is here and here, back in the day, it looks like they used some kind of aluminum or solder or something as body filler to make a nice rounded slope here. So trying to weld through all that was kind of a pain in the ass. We had to go in with an angle grinder and kind of cut it all out, but it worked. Doesn't look too bad. It mounts up, it's symmetrical, it's the same. We've already fitted a seal kit to it, and it looks like the window is gonna fit in there just fine. Like I said, a little more grinding, but all in all, it doesn't look too bad. It took us a few days because we didn't want to warp it, and it's not too bad. You know, it's pretty well rounded. There's one side that's got a small dent because we dropped it when we put it up together, but we can beat that out. That's not an issue. So, one step closer.